Listen, your brain is being eaten alive. Every scroll, every notification, every just one more video. It's carving out the part of you that was built to do hard things. And the worst part? You let it happen, but that ends today. Think about yesterday. You woke up with a goal, something real, something that mattered. And before you even brushed your teeth, the phone was already in your hand. 2 hours of your life gone, not stolen, surrendered. You sat down to work and lasted 4 minutes before your fingers drifted back to the screen. That burning feeling in your chest right now, that's not stress. That's you recognizing what you're becoming, a man on autopilot, reacting, never executing. Here's what the productivity gurus won't say out loud. Willpower isn't your problem. Your reward system is hijacked. And until you deal with that, no planner, no routine, no motivational video fixes anything. So here's exactly what does. 5 steps, 3 minutes, let's go. Step 1. Map the poison. Grab a paper right now and write down every single thing you do for pleasure that requires 0 effort. Social media, streaming, gaming, pornography. All of it. No judgment, just honesty. Your brain has been feeding on these inputs and raising its stimulation threshold so high that real work feels like torture by comparison. You can't starve something you refuse to name. Write the list. That's step 1. Step 2. Execute a 48-hour blackout, not a digital detox. A blackout. Every high stimulation source on that list eliminated for 48 hours starting now. No negotiation, no I'll just check once. What happens during those 48 hours? Your dopamine receptors, desensitized from months of overstimulation, begin to reset. Boredom will hit hard around hour 6. That boredom is your brain healing. Sit in it. Walk through it. The discomfort isn't a problem to solve, it's the solution itself. Step 3. Prime before you perform. 10 minutes before any serious work, you cut all input, no music, no screen, no conversation. Then you do 1 physical trigger, 20 push-ups. Cold water on your face or 10 slow deep breaths. Pick one and use it every single time. What you're doing is conditioning your nervous system. You're creating a mental on switch. Over time, that trigger alone shifts your brain into focus mode before you've typed a single word. Most men try to force focus, trained men trigger it. Step 4. Lock your work into brutal time boxes. Open-ended work sessions are where discipline goes to die. Set a 45-minute timer, phone out of the room, not silenced, removed. Before the timer starts, write 1 sentence what you will complete in this block. Your brain responds to defined endpoints. It locks onto unfinished tasks and drives you toward completion. No defined end, no urgency, no output. The structure isn't a constraint, it's the engine. Step 5. Make yourself wait for the reward. After every completed block, sit in silence for 5 minutes before touching anything enjoyable. This one step rewires more than anything else on this list. Your brain learns that effort, not entertainment, is what triggers reward. Stack this every day and your impulse control strengthens like a trained muscle. You stop chasing stimulation, you start chasing results, because results become the hit. This is not a 5-step productivity trick, this is a decision about identity. The man who controls his dopamine controls his time. The man who controls his time controls his life. Every result you've ever envied in someone else started exactly here, with them choosing discomfort over convenience, execution over escape. That choice is in front of you right now. Comment built if you're making it. Subscribe, because this channel exists for one reason: to build men who are impossible to distract and unstoppable in execution.